Stomach 45 strict exchange, Jing-Well points. Stomach 45 location on the second toe, 0.1 tune from the lateral corner of the nail. How to find? Stomach 45 is located on the junction of two tangents drawn along the lateral and proximal border of the nail of the second toe, approximately 0.1 tune from the margin of the nail. Needling, 0.1 tune vertically or obliquely in a proximal direction or prick to bleed. For the actions and indications, stomach 45 opens the channel and clears heat from the Yang-Min channel, LI, and stomach. Calms and regulates the shen. For the special features, stomach 45 is a Jing-Well point, metal point, sedation point, important distal point for all heat disorders affecting the head. For severe insomnia due to fire or phlegm heat, apply moxibustion, small fire, attracting big fire technique. This point is frequently used to calm the mind when this is disturbed in context of a stomach pattern, usually from an excess pattern, such as stomach fire being transmitted to the heart and giving rise to heart fire. The use of this point can, at the same time, sedate the stomach and calm the mind. It is often used for insomnia in this context. One particular use of this point is to clear heart fire, in which case it is used with direct moxa cones. It clears stomach heat, clears heat in the stomach channel in the face, and calms the mind and drains heart fire. The two principal actions of stomach 45 are to clear heat from the stomach channel and to a certain extent the stomach food, and to clear heat and calm the spirit. In addition, in common with all the Jing-Well points, stomach 45 may be used to restore consciousness. According to the spiritual pivot, when the disease is above, select points from below. This statement emphasizes the strong action that most distal channel points have on treating disorders at the opposite end of the channel. Stomach 45 is especially indicated when Yang-Min channel heat rises to the face, nose, teeth, and lips, giving rise to such symptoms as swelling of the face, toothache, cracked lips, nosebleed, yellow nasal discharge, etc. It is also indicated for heat in the stomach food, giving rise to excessive hunger. The action of stomach 45 in clearing heat and calming the spirit is shared by many of the points of the stomach channel. This is explained both by the pathway of the stomach divergent channel to the heart and that of this primary channel, which joins with the governing vessel at do 24 and do 26. Stomach 45 also shares with the Jing-Well points as a whole special ability to calm the spirit, especially in acute situations. It is indicated in the treatment of manic disorders, characterized in classic texts by indications desired to ascend to high places and sing, discards clothing, and runs around, and especially used for insomnia with excessive dreaming due to fire or phlegm heat. Its action on insomnia is shared by several of the Jing-Well points of the feet. Spleen 1, kidney 1, GB 44, reflecting the perception that in order to induce sleep, pathologically ascending qi, yang, or fire must be drawn downwards. In severe, intractable cases of insomnia, moxibustion may be applied to stomach 45. This technique of drawing the fire down is based on the principle small fire attracts big fire. In common with many acupuncture points, stomach 45 has a homeostatic action and may also be used for depressive disorders, characterized by withdrawal and excessive desire to sleep, thus emphasizing its ability to calm and regulate the spirit in a variety of situations. Stomach 45, where the metal aspect of the earth can be influenced, benefits the stomach official in many ways. Metal is formed within the earth and bring inspiration and quality to earth. Metal can help earth acknowledge its own harvest and be conscious of what it values. Metal help earth how the limits of its work. It distinguishes what it's meeting the needs of earth and what is over-involvement in someone else's territory. Metal, with its clear notion of boundaries represented by the body hairs on the skin, can help earth draw back to the center, weigh up the situation, and regain reason. Metal help earth have a sense of purpose. Metal, as a conductor of heat and cold, can help regulate the climate within earth and invigorate when there is inertia or inability to accept and welcome others from cold. As the sedation point, stomach 45 can calm earth if it has become agitated over emotional. The stomach meridian started near the eye and ends here on the foot, though the exit point on the way level to its young mean partner, large intestine, is at stomach 42. It traverses along territory working unceasingly with its partner, the spleen, to contribute to the maintenance of the five sang and our life. An alternative name, mouth, returns us to the head, near where the stomach started its meridian journey, as well as indicating one of the uses of this point, empirical point for hangover, especially with sickness. Stomach 45 calms the mind and spirit when they are disturbed by the stomach heat, which agitates the heart and causes insomnia, restlessness, and disorientation. This point can calm the heart and the stomach. As a distal point, it affects the face and clears stomach fire patterns, affecting the eyes, nose, teeth, face, stomach, and skin. Treats disorder of the mouth, dry mouth, tooth decay in the upper jaw, and cleansed jaw. As Jing-Well point, it can invigorate the circulation of qi and blood in the stomach meridian, affecting circulation in the feet and also the mind, improving mental dullness and congestion, as well as fullness or blockage in the body. Jing-Well points provide a release for qi when it wells up from excess and are also used to release pathogens. Brightens the eyes, especially when stomach heat affects the eyesight. Clears the heart of heart fire. In this instance, it is used with direct moxa cones, relieves retention of food.